Hey there. I want to give a quick shout out to the fish. You see my hand, it's so dark here, up here, like his shell. Go visit. So I'm gonna do a long-term review of the solar lights he sent me. Let me turn my camera around. Oh, so I turned the camera around and we take a look. Oh, Lucy. Oh, she cannot hear the sirens. She thinks they are loud. Okay, sorry about that though. So we are checking out to see if all those lights are still okay, right? This one is pretty good. Here, number 2. Also very good. Walking by here, we activated number 3. We are on here for a while. See, Lucy is following us. It was number 3, okay? Here we have the 4. Very good. Number 5 is still working. Here is number 6. And number 6, we have to see here, does not work at all. So this one I have to take in. We're gonna have to check what's wrong with it. Number 7. It's good. Look at that. All LEDs going. Number 8 is good. Nice. Number 9 has a little bit of a spider web on it. Can you see that? You can see how good this camera is, huh? And then the next one here. Very good. Look, I did the leaves here. I'm gonna go on this side. This one here is perfect. Nice. We have one in the back there, still working. That is one of the most amazing ones. This one is still working. This one here. Very good. And the last one. So out of all of those lights, it's actually just one that doesn't work. And as I said, we're gonna open this up and take a look inside what's wrong with it. I don't know for how long they stay on, so if there is a difference if they all turn off at the same time. When I wake up in the morning, most of them are off, like still dark. But so I have no idea when they turn off exactly, or if there's a timer in there that protects the batteries. Not sure, but yeah. This one seems to be a problem. One thing we also have, they are all sealed up, okay? So you can't really open them so easy. But let's see. I'm gonna check it out. And overall, this is a good light here. Like, I mean, review-wise, quality-wise. Let me put in here the time, how long they are out. And yeah, working fine. So I hope you liked this video here. Oh, I have to turn this light back on here to see me a little better. So, okay, I hope you liked this, and I see you in the next video. Maybe I make one why this light didn't work. Right? You guys have a good night.